my New Year's Eve tablescape. I'm getting ready to host an elegant, sophisticated New Year's Eve dinner. It is a grown and sexy New Year's Eve tablescape, so I hope you enjoy it. It's my last one of the year. I try to get a little extra fancy with it, so I hope you enjoy it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about my New Year's Eve tablescape. All right, guys, here is my New Year's Eve tablescape. It is my grown and sexy tablescape. A lot of the items on this table are thrifted, and I just wanted to show you, when you are out thrifting, to always keep your eyes open. So the water vases that you see were all thrifted from the Goodwill. They ranged in price from $1.99 to $4.99. And you can never go wrong with thrifting vases. So if you ever see a clear vase, make sure you always pick it up. I think the vases give this tablescape a very elegant and sophisticated look. Also, items that were thrifted were my plates. These are two different sets of plates. This is a plain white plate that I picked up for 99 or 59 cents at the Goodwill. I got 8 of them. And then these salad plates I picked up from another Goodwill, brand new, still in the box, never opened, a set of 12 for $4.99. And there were 2 boxes, and I picked up both of them. So the charger underneath is also a Goodwill find. It was also, actually it was 99 cents. I was about to say 59 cents, but it was 99 cents. A very large charger for 99 cents. And you can't go wrong for that price. I have seen them on eBay for a lot more money. My napkin setting are napkins that I purchased from Amazon really inexpensively. I think they were $12.99 for a pack of 12. These little bells, they are actually going to be our ringers to ring in the new year. As you can see, it says ring in the new year. So my guests will be taking these when the clock strikes midnight. And these bells were a DIY that I did. I just cut out, I just went to my Cricut and designed a logo that said ring in the new year, sized it the way I wanted to, and printed it out. These bells are from the Dollar General. It was a pack of 3. I cut them apart and made them into what I wanted them to be. The little bell is actually hot glued onto a skewer, and the skewer I just colored black with a Sharpie. So very sophisticated and elegant. These little sprigs I took off of one of my wreaths that I had for Christmas. I thought it would complement the table very well. And the napkin ring also came from Amazon. Another item that is thrifted are these beautiful glasses. Look at these. I don't know if you can tell. They are a bluish ombre color with a silver rim. Very, very pretty. I got a set, and I'm using these as my champagne glasses. Actually, that's not one of them. This is the champagne glass. I'll have to take the other one out. You see it's longer. But I picked up a set of 16 of these glasses, and they were 59 cents a piece. Another reason you need to always keep your eyes open when thrifting. I really love how this table turned out and how it all came together, using items that I have thrifted and just using some ornaments. Guys, ornaments can go a long way. You can do so many things with them. Yes, they're ornaments for your tree, but you can also use them as decoration on your tablescapes. So I really love how they look on the table. These masks came from the Dollar Tree. Guys, don't sleep on Dollar Tree. You can find some really nice things at the Dollar Tree. In my center candle holders, I have these party beads that I picked up from Amazon. They're black and white. I absolutely love the way they look. You guys know black and white are my signature colors. And I also like a little bit of glam, so that is why I decided to use the disco balls also on the table. I think it is so perfect for ringing in the new year. So I hope you guys have loved this throwback tablescape. And now I want to show some other New Year's Eve tablescape ideas that you may be able to use for your New Year's Eve tablescape decorating this year. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will have lots of new content coming for 2022 that you do not want to miss.
Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you?